Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. We're going to kick it off on Monday, first day of trading of the week. Happy capital markets. Markets really revving and rolling on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. CPJ, Carbon Producers Jamaica Limited, the company out west, Montego Bay, trading in their shares, getting more skin in the game here. Some confidence here. Not just one, but two connected parties. Advisor, a connected party, bought up 100,000 shares on June 6th of this year. And additionally, another connected party purchased another 100,000 shares on June 7th in CPJ. Next up tonight, we got Kingston Properties Limited, KPRIT. Talk about their additional public offering here. Their IPO closed last week, Friday, June 10th, and it was successfully closed officially on that date. Headline by KPRIT's slogan and our theme, buy local but own global. We like that one there. Headlined by Leader Ranger, the broker, VM Wealth. Talk about VM Group, VM Wealth being in the market, doing lots of things. Now, Scotia Group Jamaica Limited, resignation of senior management officer here. You know, Scotia really come up with some nice slow and steady earnings, dividend yield analyzed 3.9%. We spoke about that on Business Live recently, but going through the motions, changes here with their management team. You know, Scotia Group states, or an advisory, resignation of Mr. Richard Fraser, VP, Senior Legal Counsel, Corporate Secretary, effective mid-July, July 14th this year. Hopefully the changes won't be too much more or too much. You know, it's good to just see them get some stability. They are one of the bellwethers of this stock market, and especially with recession fears, you're probably going to see more and more investors flock into companies like Panjam, Carreras, Scotia, Grace Kennedy, etc. You know, it's some of those defensive stocks on the market. Some of the safer ones, as they say, producing some income, not just growth. Now, QWI Investments Limited, updating net asset value here, the NAV. Don't get it twisted or mixed up with the market price. As of June 10th, QWI's net asset value closed at $1.29 Jamaican per share, pulling back a bit further here, coming from the mid-Jamaican $1.40 range. Last up tonight, we got U.S. gasoline prices here, topping US $5 a gallon for the first time ever. So inflation, gas prices impacted us, you know, in the US as well, not just Jamaica, the Caribbean regionally, but this is a, you know, a global phenomenon just with oil prices, average price of crude oil impacting everybody. So US national average $5 a gallon. June 11th happened this past weekend on Saturday. Huge impact there. Just, you know, the recession concerns just flaring up with so many different red flags. Reason being, increased demand due to, of course, the reopening of the economy, you know, well, global economies from the pandemic, lower oil supplies due to the Ukraine war, and the summer months are the biggest demand months, not just in the US, but globally, but we're talking about the US here. And analysts predicting, from a US perspective, a rise to potentially $5.25, $5.50 a gallon, could go higher. Last up, analysts estimate that as compared to a year ago, the average household in the US market, that economy, is now spending something like $160 more on fuel per month than a year ago. Wow. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a fantastic evening. This is Business Live.